Hi, this is Dr. Frederick. So we have a question from Module 2, Problem 13, where it says find all values of y such that the distance between 3, y and negative 7, 8 is 17. So what we're going to do is use the distance formula to solve this problem. And the distance formula is the square root of x2, which is minus 7, minus x1, which is 3, all of that squared, plus the square root of y2, which is 8, minus y1, which is our unknown. So we're really trying to find all values of y1 such that when we plug it in, it will it's going to give us two values. We're only going to find two values here that work. We're going to have two positive roots of anything under here when we take a square root. The square root of 4 is 2 or negative 2. So we're going to figure this out and get two answers. So we're going to substitute here. 17 is our distance. That's this distance of PR, 2 points. And then we'll plug in our square root here and figure this out. I don't know why I have this one twice. Let's just get rid of this. Okay, so we see here this simplifies to minus 10 squared for our first term, and then 8 minus y squared for our second term. And so that goes to 100, and then 8 minus y squared is 8 squared, minus 2 times 8 times y plus y squared. So don't forget here that this is a minus sign. 8 squared minus 16y plus y squared, and so then that's going to simplify to 100 plus 64 minus 16y plus y squared, and that's going to give us, I'm missing another step here, but 164 minus 16y plus y squared. So let's just do that real fast, just so you, I don't know why I don't have that there, but okay, so there's our value. And so what we want to do, we want to get rid of this square root sign, this radical. We're going to square both sides, and 17 squared is 289. And then this value squared, we just take away the square root sign, where we ended up with this. Then let's subtract 289 from both sides, and we end up with this term. Negative 125 minus 16y plus y squared is equal to 0. We like it better like this. And now we're just going to use the quadratic formula to solve for our y terms. And what is A? A is the coefficient of the y squared term. B is the coefficient of the y term, and then C is just this integer value down here, which is not 125 but negative 125. Remember, it'd be x squared plus 2xy plus b squared would be our formula, and then it's going to be a plus minus 125. So make sure you get the coefficients right on these terms. And now to solve the problem, you're going to substitute in negative 16 plus or minus 16 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 125 and divided by 2. Okay, so your value is going to be something ugly, a complex term. So if you have any more questions about this particular problem, please let me know.